Hello, I have the minutiae of people here today. I'm gonna wear this shark necklace thing more. Now, if you guys don't know, I hurt my hand, so I can't do as much stuff right now with cards, and it sucks. It just hurts a lot. But anyway, I did get some new things. Let's start with the first thing. So, this is one of them. Now, we're gonna go over this magic trick. Here, I'll do it real quick. And this isn't to be revealed, because this is, you can find this anywhere. Watch. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna make sure. And then my hand's clean, see? It's pretty simple, involves this. So that's interesting, new for it. I got a double cross Sharpie, to be honest with you. This thing's pretty epic. I'm still practicing with it. And then I got some things I'm gonna start wearing and all that. So here, we'll start with this. I've been needing to get one of these, and I decided to hit it big. This is like, I think this is like a $20 one. No, it's a $30. Yeah, this is a nice one. I got a nice card mat finally. That will now be here. So yeah, that's gonna make it nicer for you guys, because you guys probably hate seeing this like destroyed table. But yeah, that's something new, and I bet everybody's gonna be looking forward to this. Oh yes. So this is a tripod, and the reason why I'm getting it is, one, I think my videos could be better. First off, we're gonna work on better camera angles, because I feel like that, and it needs to be done. And but anyway, I got a tripod, so I'm kind of excited for this. So let's open this up. Unboxing new things, and part of the reason why I'm doing this is I'm not gonna post for a while, Punk Boy. It's either gonna be Phases of Magic Trick. He's got like 10,000. I'm trying to contact him. He already forgot about me. I'm gonna hide that. That was a QR code. Sweet. Ooh. This is actually not bad. Okay, please tell me it's big. I want to get a big tripod. And the reason why, we have the remote with it. Sweet. Is it's gonna help my camera quality and angle. We need to get lights at one point, but yeah, I'm working with you guys now. Since the channel's been doing good since 50 subs, so I decided to treat myself finally. I think I know how. I'm gonna read into some of this. Let's see how big this thing gets. Is that it? Man, please tell me you're way bigger. Okay, let's see. I have a good feeling. Are you serious, bro? I wish it was a bit taller, but that is... How tall is this? Oh, actually, it's taller than I thought it was. I just didn't... Oh. Okay. Actually, that's a pretty tall... This is actually pretty tall. I gotta lock these, don't I? Yeah, I do. Okay. Here, I'll mess with that later. You guys don't want to watch this. But I got a tripod finally. We needed one. We're not going to use it in this video, but future content. It came with a remote, which will make the videos way better start off instead of like this. We're going to add more signs, hopefully. Kind of want to get some posters. And then finally, the last thing, I'm going to start wearing these. Now, I did buy a microphone. We're waiting for that to come in, but these right here are really hard kind of magnets, and I already can feel it. So let's start. Now, these look like to be honest, I love the design on these rings, but look at this. I'm gonna have to separate them because I don't want them. They came in cases. Shocked me. So we have 3 rings here, but they're actually, I'm gonna start wearing them. They're pretty I actually like these. But they're actually magnetic. so I can actually move them about my hand. And it's gonna be interesting because I could do like tossing them up and catching them strangely. Like what? Boom. So yeah, we got some magnetic rings. It's kind of hard to, I'm gonna have to do it like, I gotta wear them a certain way. I'll find out. No, that's touching my phone and that is magnetic. Yeah, if you don't know, magnets can mess up your phone. Luckily I have a phone case, so it won't be as bad to them. But yeah, this is maybe, I'll probably change them around. But I kind of like these. I'll probably just wear one for style, and then I'll keep the other two in their case. Which one's the biggest? It came with 3 different sizes, and to be honest, they're actually pretty stronger than I thought they would be. This one's too big. Come on, which one is it? This one won't be too small. Too small. Yeah, this one fits. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna start wearing this thing with this. Anyway, sorry guys, this is short. I'm not even gonna have a thumbnail for this video. We're not even gonna have tags. I'm not expecting for this to get that many views. It's kind of just to explain what we're going to have. I'm soon gonna get in a mic